Hello and welcome to Light of Aurora. I am Aurora. Today I will be doing my sister's nails. These are her nails. Oh, and if you don't know what my channel is about, I learned how to do nails from the beginning as a total beginner. Okay, so let me just wipe off her nail polish that she has on. Mm. Oh yes, and I decided to put in the section where I say what I've learned. So what I actually learned from the previous nail arts that I've done is that I can't do nail polish. So I got myself some gel polish. Okay, here is where I push back the cuticles of her nails. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible here. Oh yes, the nail polish thing. So when I did my in the previous videos, I struggled with the nail polish because it dries quick. So I decided, okay, let me just go get some gel polish because it obviously doesn't dry as fast as the nail polish does. So with my sister's hands, today I will be doing just using just gel polish on her. I keep moving my thumb over nails, over cuticles just to see if I actually push it back as far as possible and that it doesn't hurt. That if that makes sense. I'm lifting it while I'm pushing it back with my thumb and pushing the dust away as well. Me double checking to see if everything is fine. See? And last is a thumb. There we go. All our cuticles is pushed back. Time to file her nails, rough up the surface of her nails. I'm just taking off the shiny part of her nails. I was gentle here as well, and I do move my thumb over just to move the dust out of the way to make sure that every part of her nail is roughed up, and also to remove most of the dust. Even on the sides I have to make sure it's roughed up and the shine is taken away. And here is her thumb. Everything's done and I'm double checking. Remove all the dust with my little brush. And after that, she had some cuticle that was standing up. I will just be clipping those with my cuticle clippers. And trying not to go deep because on myself, the first time I tried it, I think I went a little bit deep and it was painful. So I make sure that I don't hurt her. I will be clipping all of her cuticles because some doesn't stand up as much as the others, and I didn't want to just push my luck. um, if you say it like that, no? People say it like that, push my luck. Anyway, so where it stood up, I clipped. Where it didn't stand up, I didn't clip. As easy as that. And I didn't pull the away. I clipped it, hold on, and then release. Okay, there I give the thumbs up to see if it is done right. See if I can clip the thumbs. She says it's no need for it, so I just left it. Done. Time to put the hydrator on her nails. Just the hydrator. I don't use primer that much. Okay, done. She's checking to see what is done now. Just put on the base coat. And it is a thin layer you should apply. All her nails are done, showing us that I do both nails, not just one end. Okay, time to apply the pink and this gel polish. I do like this color. So what is it called when you apply the nail polish or gel polish on the cuticle area? Is it called flooding or something? I'm not sure what it's called, but I keep doing that and I don't know how not to do that. So every time I go like on the side of your nails, at the back of your nails, I just use something to wipe it off and thank God I have gel polish because it is easier to wipe off. I was trying to wipe off at the cuticle area. If anyone have tips on how to do it properly, please tell me in the comments below. And I do apply 2 coats of the gel polish on her nail. And it's gel polish, so it means you have to cure it. Blue light. Done. Every single nail. Yay! So proud of it, kinda. And she's okay with it. She gave a thumbs up. So the colors that she wanted, I didn't have, but I have it in darker color. So which means that I will be mixing some gel polishes. So this is the blue I have that I will be mixing with the white to get the color that we want. And the process of mixing it is just awesome to me. I don't know why. It's pretty. So here is the mixing color she wanted. Time to make the pattern she wanted. So the pattern is actually just a teardrop, which means you just drop it with a dotting tool and stretch it with the brush. Thin brush? Is it a detail? It's called a detail brush. I don't know what the name is. Anyway, so as a teardrop, this is where she check if it's done properly, if she likes it or not, if I should wipe it off or redo it. She told me here and there some parts you just have to fill it out a little to make it more teardroppy, if that's a word. Here we go, teardrop done. And time to cure it with both fingers. I don't show how I do it on the other hand because it's time consuming. Just to make everything short, easy, fast, I'll just show you how to do one hand. Same with the red. I only had a red gel polish. I'm gonna mix it with white to make it the color that she wants her art to be. Mm. Oh, and I was super careful not to let the red touch the white gel polish because I don't know. I don't want to, what's the word, contaminate it. She said it was a little too dark. Everything I do to adjust, like the nail polish color, see if she likes it or not. I adjust the color. She said it's fine. Then I go forth. If she says it's can't find my words. If she says it's not the right one and not to her liking, I just don't use it. I redo whatever I should do. Here we go. This was the shape I was struggling with. I was supposed to do a star. Not supposed to do a star. I did do a star and it did work out, but it was a struggle. So first I just literally make just a triangle. Oh wait. Yeah, here's the part where she checks if it is the right color that she wants. She said it was a little too light that you can't even see it. So I added a little red nail polish, gel polish to it. My words is getting scrambled up. I do like the motion of mixing it. It feels awesome. There, I made a dot on her nail to see if she likes it. She said it was fine. It's the right color, so I just wiped off the sample, you can say, that I put on her ring finger. Time to do the art though. Oh, so I made a triangle, then I took one end of it and swoop it past the other line and do that exactly on the other side, the right part. Left, right, yeah. I don't feel like I remember the sides anymore. Dang. I think always at the end of my videos, I forget how to speak, what to say, and the English words you can say. But that's okay. English is not actually my first language. Anyway, yeah, I try to do a star. And I did look up how to do this. It was so many different ways on how to do it, but this one clicked with me and I liked how it was done, and this is the star I went with. So I outline it first, then I will be coloring it in. Done, and this is the star completed. Come on, focus. Camera. There we go. I think the star came out as good as it will. Okay, so these are her nails. Thank you for sticking around so far. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for making it this far again. Thank you. Bye.